In this video, we are going to learn how you can send emails from MS Excel automatically. So the idea here is that whenever you add a new data to your MS Excel spreadsheet, automatically using those details, a mail should be sent to your customer. So here your trigger application would be MS Excel and your action application would be Gmail. For that, you need to integrate both these applications. So how you can set up an automation and how you can integrate these applications using Pabbly Connect, for that you need to come to my screen. So welcome to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you're the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you're going to get free task every month. If you're already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as send email from MS Excel. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we have created some mail messages in our MS Excel account and we want to send the mails to the customers via Gmail. For that, we are going to integrate MS Excel with Pabbly Connect first. So let's open this trigger window and here we are going to choose the application name as MS Excel. Select the trigger event as new row in worksheet. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Microsoft Excel. Now it is asking let this app access your info. So let's scroll down and here we are going to click on yes to give away the permissions. Authorization successful. Okay, now the Microsoft Excel account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Microsoft Excel account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged in. Now, as we have created a connection, here we can find all the workbooks that we have created in our Microsoft Excel account. So here I'll just show you the workbook which I have already created, that is welcome emails to customers, where I have entered the details, that is the name of the customer, his email address, the subject and the message which I want to send via mail. Okay, and here you can see that the sheet is sheet 1 over here. So first I'll be selecting the same workbook name, that is welcome emails to customers over here in Pabbly Connect. Let us find the same welcome email to customers. Now as I have created a single sheet in this particular spreadsheet, the sheet name is automatically captured. Okay, now as we have already created some details in this particular Excel sheet, let's click on save and send test request. So the recently added data will be captured over here. Okay, and here you can see the responses received and all the details of the Excel sheet is captured over here. We can find the row index as 1. Here we can find the name of the customer, his email address. Here we can find the subject line and also the message. Okay. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data is captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in capturing the response as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay. And here also it is mentioned that this particular trigger will check for the new data in every 8 hours. Okay. Now we want this using these details automatically a mail should be sent to this particular customer. For that, scroll down, come to this action step and here choose the application name as Gmail. Select the action event as send email. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Gmail. Now here it is asking me to choose an account to continue to Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to choose my account from here. Pabbly Connect wants additional access to your Google account. So let's scroll down and click on continue as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful and now the Gmail account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to give the recipient email address to whom we are sending the mail. So I want this mail to be sent to demo@pabblytunes.com. So I have to map this data now. For mapping, simply scroll down, click it over here, come to the response of Microsoft Excel, and from here we'll be selecting the data, that is the email address. Okay. Now, if you want to specify some CC or BCC email addresses, you can just give it over here. And here we have to give the sender name. So I want the sender name to be Pabbly Connect. Okay. And here we have to give the email subject. So let us give the email subject from our trigger response, that is welcome to Pabbly. Now let's scroll down. Here we have to select the email content type as plain. Now here we have to give the email content. So I want the email content to be hello, and here I'll be mapping the name of the customer, hello demo name. And after that, let us map the data that we have got from our trigger response, that is thanks for signing up, okay, and all other details. And at last I want regards Pabbly team. Okay, so in this way the message will be delivered to the customer. Okay. Now, if you want to mention some attachment, you can just give the attachment file name over here, and you can give the attachment URL over here. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received, and here in the response result, we have got the status as sent. It means the mail is sent to the customer. Let's check it. And here we have got the mail from Pabbly Connect, and here we have got the subject line as welcome to Pabbly. Let's check the mail. Hello demo name, thanks for signing up Pabbly Connect. Also keep an eye on your inbox as we will be sharing some amazing tips to make the most of your trial period. If you have any confusion or wish to upgrade to a paid plan, I'll be more than happy to assist you. Regards, Pabbly team. So in this way, we can see that the correct mail has been sent, and in this way, our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we're going to check this in the real time, that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. So let's move to the Excel sheet once again. And here I'm just going to enter the details. Let's give the name of the customer as dummy customer this time. Okay, let's give the email address as dummy@pabblytunes.com. And here I'll be just entering the subject as trial period expired. And here I have added the message, your trial period has expired. Please upgrade your plan to continue using Pabbly Connect. So we have added a new data to our Excel spreadsheet. Now we have to check whether dummy customer has received any mail or not. Let's move to the email address of the customer. We have to just refresh it. And even after refreshing, we can't find the mail shared to the customer, just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So here we have to wait for some time. Okay, and within some moment, I can find the mail shared over here. Here we can find the sender mail name as Pabbly Connect, and here we have got the subject line as trial period expired. Let's open the mail. Here we have seen the mail as hello dummy customer. So here we can see that this mail is for dummy customer. Your trial period has expired. Please upgrade your plan to continue using Pabbly Connect. Regards, Pabbly team. So in this way, we can see that a correct mail has been shared with the customer on his email address. And in this way, our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first, we have created an integration between Microsoft Excel and Pabbly Connect, so that whenever a new data is entered into the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, automatically the details are captured in Pabbly Connect. And then using those details, we have sent a mail to the customer on his Gmail address. And in this way, we have learned that how we can send the emails from MS Excel using Pabbly Connect. Thank you.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.